to get schwifty in here. It's time to get schwifty.
Hey everyone, Katrina Lynn here again. Welcome back to part 9 of our Japanese candy and snack review. Back with my husband.
Oh.
You're wearing 7. Today, we're going to try some
Pocky.
This one is chocolate banana Pocky.
Oh.
I've seen it, never tried it, very excited.
You can comment down below your favorite Pocky.
Have you tried banana Pocky? Let's give it a try. It tastes like nothing. Tastes like
I
nothing.
want banana and chocolate together, and it didn't work.
I'm gonna give that 3.
Hey.
3. Let's try
Here we go.
another Pocky. Ooh, that's cute. Smells nice. Mmm. What do you give it?
8.
I give it a 9. Those are pretty darn good. We're gonna try these. No English, but it looks like cola and melon and grape. I don't know if they're hard or if they're chewy or if they're gum or if they're fizzy. We're gonna find out.
All right, here we go.
Hard candy. Ooh, fizzy. Ooh. These are good. You don't like them? Mmm.
It's weird that it's hard and fizzy.
I like that.
3. Yeah, what do you give it?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
No,
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
no.
It's good.
Wow.
Lay's. These are huge, like bigger than my head. These are not just any chips, they are yam crisps. I don't know if they're sticks, because that's the picture of a stick, or if they're flat, because that's the picture of a flat thing. But it's cucumber and yam, so I guess sweet potato, cucumber flavored sweet potato. So I'm intrigued. So let's give this a try. Ooh. Look it. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it smells like all kinds of cucumbers.
All kinds of cucumbers.
All kinds of cucumbers. I'm ready.
They're so light. It's like fettuccine noodles.
Yeah.
What do you think? Oh.
It's good we try all these things and you don't like it and they're yours and you don't like that and I like them and they're mine. I like them.
It's like if you threw a cucumber into a pit of styrofoam. It's disgusting. Well, what do you rate it?
8.
I give this a 1. This is disgusting. Got one more thing to save the day, and this is another Lay's chip. It's stewed beef noodle flavor, but I don't know. I guess maybe because we're just not much on eating meat anymore these days. It smells very real and like soup. I'm so nervous to try.
Oh, it's good.
Oh
pretty
my
good.
God, it's so savory.
It's pretty great. It's like you were eating
Holy
a
cow.
spoonful of stew.
In your mouth, my God.
I taste the like ramen noodle broth in these.
These are very impressive.
Mmm. Wow. You can eat those cucumber things. These are mine.
Oh, I like them too.
10 Come on, I give them
8.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. They're good. Yes, I will share with you. That's it for video 9. Come back soon for number 10. Bye, guys.